I think that the election and the tenure of Dr. Khalukhi is yet to come to an end. So I think that it's, as you're rightly using the word speculation, there can only be speculation for now. But only thing I would like to say is that if the party were to give me any kind of responsibility, I'm willing to take up any assignment or any responsibility that the party may so deem necessary or fit for me.
But talks are there that you will be the right choice for this position.
Well, I'm very grateful to those people who are, mentioning that I'm the right person for this assignment. But having said that, as I said, that I've never shied away from any assignment or any responsibility, and if the party so feels, and if the people of the state so feel, yes, I will be deeply honored.